India's engineering export to China doubled in 2020 to 2021. India's engineering exports to China more than doubled in 2020 to 2021 to $4.8 billion. Exports rose despite the worsening relationship with China following the Galwan clash. According to Engineering Export Promotion Council (EEPC), engineering goods exports in April surged 230% to 7.6 billion as compared to 2.3 billion in the same month last year. UK begins preparation for free trade deal talks with India. The UK has begun preparation for a free trade agreement with India and has launched a 14-week consultation to seek views of the public and business. We want an agreement that pushes new frontiers in industries of future, UK Trade Secretary Liz Truss said. The two countries plan to double trade between them by 2030 from about 33 billion in 2019. India attracts highest ever FDI inflow of 81.72 billion during 2020-21. India attracted the highest ever total foreign direct investment (FDI) inflow of 81.72 billion during 2020-21, the government said on Monday. The FDI figure for 2020-21 is 10% more than the last financial year. Singapore emerged as the top investor country with 29% of the total investment, followed by the US at 23% and Mauritius at 9% for financial year 2020-21.
Tagger Sculpture. Custom-made wooden sculptures. If you are looking for something very, very special, come to the right place. Thousands of statues sold worldwide since 1980s. Visit www.tagorasculpture.com. For import and export contact 938-138-4866.
The RBI has said in its annual report that contraction in the service sector during 2020-21 was unprecedented in independent India's history, as contact-intensive services were impacted due to COVID-19. Even during the global financial crisis, service sector remained resilient, it added. Meanwhile, the industrial sector witnessed its fifth year of sequential deceleration, RBI further said. Non-commercial vehicles output drops 21% month-on-month in April. Total vehicle production, excluding commercial vehicles, fell 21% month-on-month in April, according to a report by India Ratings. The drop was due to an 11% decline in manufacturing of passenger vehicles and 23% fall in manufacturing of two-wheelers due to the second wave of COVID-19 in April. Production of three-wheelers fell sharply by 86% in April from March.